welcome to Georgie's kitchen. Today we are going to make an omelette. Ingredients: we need some mozzarella cheese, some eggs, some bacon, yellow pepper, red pepper, mushroom, tomato, and onion. These ingredients have been all chopped into small pieces. Let's start. First, you need to crack the eggs. Carefully peel the shell. Open. There, one egg. Now the next one.
Is it fun, Gordon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now the third one. Gently mix them. Now we fry the bacon. No oil needed because the bacon has so much fat. See?
No, we don't have to. Make sure they're local. And say they will be open and crispy.
Now we can cook the omelette. Add 2 scoops, big scoops of egg yolk into the frying pan.
That's not egg yolk, just say egg.
Egg.
Add 2 scoops of egg. That's enough.
Now we add 1 big scoop of mushroom, 1 big scoop of tomato, 1 big scoop of onion, 1 big scoop of yellow pepper,
And the red pepper, I forgot.
and red pepper, and a few pieces of bacon, and some red pepper.
So you wait until the egg is cooked.
Wait until the egg is cooked. make another one. Now my omelette is ready to flip. There, my omelette is ready. Now, at last, I need to pour my omelette. Pour it slowly. Whoops. It's okay, kids. You get little flip. There, the omelette. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you.